no idea what day is it now. Today is like very tiring. We all got sick. Some of us were throwing up, stomach ache, headache. Day 7. What's up? Welcome to Bali, everyone.
Yeah.
So everyone, it feels so much better now. We just slept the whole day yesterday. Today we are in the new hotel. We're gonna start our day with the breakfast. Let's go.
Yes.
They have spa here, and this is the pool. Wow, pretty big. Wine area here. By the way, I forgot to tell you, this hotel is called Platinum Hotel Indonesia. It's Bali, yes?
Jimbaran.
Jimbaran. It's a new hotel here, so yeah, let's check it out. Check-in area. I think this is the breakfast area here. Alright, so that's the drink area, I guess. They have coffee. This is gado-gado?
Karedok.
Garedo?
Karedok is like Western Java. Veggie.
Alright, that's it. And maybe one of these tempeh. Nah, spicy for me. So I'm avoiding spicy food right now. This is what I want. Bubur ayam.
The porridge. Chicken porridge. Okay. So now let's get the porridge first. How many scoops more?
Let's just start with 2.
Ayam kecap.
Just one. You can build your own sandwich. Yeah. Crazy, right? Breakfast here in Bali, man. What is this? The cold cut. Whoa. I have no idea what that is. Oh, this is for the dressing.
Yeah,
the salad dressing.
Yeah.
Pancake. Nice here. The fried rice.
That's the plate.
Oh, that's the big plate right here. Vegetable. Japchae. Whoa. You sure this is breakfast? We're not even done. The one in the middle is more dessert here now. This looks familiar. Cenang.
Yeah, ketan hitam.
Oh, kacang hijau.
Yeah, That's so cute, right?
What is this? I wonder. Interesting. Constructions, they're building something new, I guess. They are trying to expand the beach to make it more touristy so people can come and enjoy the beach more. Ah, look at that. There's a big ship there. We're gonna check it out later.
What ship? Oh.
So, yep. Welcome to Pantai Melasti Unggasan. Pantai Melasti Unggasan. Guys, if you like this video so far, don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. Thank you.
See what is inside. And I feel kind of bad I don't bring my swimsuit.
So they have bar here, restaurants. If you're hungry, you can eat here. Not sure what that is. Part of decorations. Maybe they want to build a restaurant there. That would be nice. Where are we now, Cecilia?
We are in Padang Padang Beach.
Padang Padang Beach?
Yeah.
I think we have to pay for the tickets.
Yeah.
There's a few monkeys there. Oh, this is nice. This is my first time here. They have a beautiful area here. Wow, looks like very abandoned place here. Do not enter. What is this place? This is probably the worship place. Yep, this is for them to worship. Whoa, this is how you go to the beach?
Whoa.
Interesting.
What if a monkey just jumps down?
Yeah, that's why be careful. Bro.
No, that's monkey poop.
Uh-oh, watch out.
What's that?
I have no idea. Looks like a poop.
Oh, that's poop.
Bro. This is...
Fine. Careful.
Watch your step, watch your head. Alright, we're almost there.
We're here.
So, surf lesson. Bar here. They do sell shirt, merchandise area there. And this is the beach. Oh, it's teaching you how to surf here. Big rocks here. Oh, there's a cave there. Let's check out the cave here. Let's go here. Yep. Alright. Interesting beach here. Beautiful. I think today is just perfect day for us to go to the beach. It's not that hot and the weather is cloudy. Like 30% is raining. But so far it's only a little bit raining. Starfish?
I think it's starfish, see?
Look, there's
I
a
touched
sea
the tentacle.
You sure you want to touch it?
There's a tentacle. Hello. I don't know.
I don't think you're supposed to touch it.
Papa, can you?
Alright, we're gonna explore the area now. Let's go. Is there a cave that you can go in? Watch your head, huh? I think you can get up on the other side though.
Oh, you can't.
Oh, is that end?
It's like a wall.
Alright, forget it. I'm out.
My man cave. Oh, this is
Oh, another cave here. Whoa! Look at this place. Wow, that place is so dark. Let me see.
Papa, let's not turn.
This is the main cave.
Ah! Let's go, Zion. Oh, Gaby is already up there. Oh, lunch hour, guys. Let's go. What are we eating? Where is this again?
Bejana restaurant?
Bejana restaurant. Okay, let's go. Yes.
So I got the tenderloin steak, medium rare.
And Gaby also get the same thing, but his one is medium.
I would rather Zion's gonna eat it.
Nasi goreng sultan, everybody. Let's try this out. Alright, so we're gonna go to the temple. I think first thing we gotta wear the that first. Yeah.
Let me help.
I got it.
Smile. 1, 2.
Nasi. Oh, it's so crowded here. We have a lot of tourists from Asia too. No drone. Oh man. So there's a performance here, dancing, traditional dancing from Bali. I think you also have to buy tickets for it. Not sure if we're gonna watch it. Much nicer, beautiful. So this is a very narrow road. We are going to see the temple. And fun fact, on my right hand side here is the cliff. So we gotta be very, very careful walking here.
Breathtaking is beautiful.
Ito.
I was gonna jump you.
If you see monkeys here, do not open any backpack or any bags, because if you do that, they think they're gonna, we are going to give them food.
No problem.
Come on, man. This view in Bali, priceless.
How do they
I think they are like fighting because monkey is very territorial. See, there's more right there. It's like, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing? I think that's what happened to them. So,
food.
yeah, they are very territorial. So if they see another group in their other group or other area, they're gonna fight. You counting the steps?
43, 44, 45, 46, 46.
More monkeys. So Pak Newman's been warning me to be very careful with my GoPro, because the monkey here is very naughty and aggressive. If the monkey see anything unusual, the monkey likes to steal it. Oh, itu topi orang, guys. See? Oh, got the hat already. Someone's hat. Good thing we have umbrella here. There's more there. Seriously, monkeys like everywhere, man.
The alpha. The alphas.
Alright. Oh. Monkey here is more aggressive compared to the one in the monkey court forest that we went to. Okay. Fun experience here, raining and enjoying the beautiful Bali. So we're going home now. Let's go. Hello, monkeys. Hi, monkey. Okay, boleh. Saya ikut Pak Nyoman. Monkeys everywhere. This is probably the one gang. They're not fighting. Whoa. This is their territory. Melasti. Excuse me. Sayang, come.
Buka anu ya. Lihat tangan. Tidak kasih makan dia.
Yeah. Alright. Gotta return this.